Welcome, my name is Baxter Coffey, and I'm here to introduce our innovative leadership training workshop called Drawing on Visual Intelligence, 3 Keys to More Effective Problem Solving. My new problem solving model? Well, Einstein once said that you can't solve this year's problems with last year's thinking. So in a similar sense, we can't solve 21st century problems with 20th century thinking. And speaking of the 21st century, management guru Peter Drucker predicted that the 21st century was going to bring new realities. And these new realities were going to bring new problems as well as new challenges. And the way to address those problems was going to be with a new thinking skill, and that skill was going to be the ability to balance analysis with perception. One of these new realities is the rising tide of information technologies, which has created a level playing field in the global marketplace. Consequently, every major player in the global arena now has equal access to the same innovative technologies: lean manufacturing, behavior-based safety, Six Sigma, etc. Consequently, the competitive edge is going to go to those organizations that can outthink the competition. A second reality is the rising might of Asia in the new global marketplace. China, South Korea, Japan tend to be right-brain thinkers who learn left-brain thinking skills in school, whereas Western culture tend to be left-brain analytical thinkers who have had very little experience with big-picture thinking and even less training on how to solve problems with using a balance of analysis and perception. This lack of balanced thinking becomes critical during the problem-solving process. The most frequent complaint that we hear at corporate America goes something like this: we already know what our problems are, we just don't know how to solve them. This workshop addresses the most common and the most costly mistake in the problem-solving process, and that is the rush to solve the problem once it's been identified and described, but not digging deep enough to actually define the problem. This workshop will address the 3 most common mistakes in the problem-solving process, and it will introduce the 3 keys to more effective problem solving. The first key is about perception. In the workshop, participants will learn how to more effectively identify the problem by cultivating the visual skills necessary to balance analysis and perception. The second key is about concept. You will learn how to effectively describe the problem by training your mind to grasp the essence of the problem instead of wasting time on surface ideas or short-term solutions. The third key is about meaning. You will learn how to more effectively define a problem by describing it exactly and grasping what it means to the organization, to the workforce, and/or the customer. Workshop participants will learn how to master these new thinking skills by working through the same visual and thinking exercises used to train architects and designers in big picture thinking. We thank you for your time and consideration. If you'd like to double your capacity to identify, define, and solve problems, then call us today to schedule your on-site workshop. Thank you very much.